Types of fractions. Basically, we have three types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper fractions. And the second one is improper fraction. Improper fractions. And the third one is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Now, in proper fractions, always the denominator is greater than the numerator. For example, we can take 2 over 3, that is 2/3. This is a proper fraction because the denominator is greater than the numerator. So we can give any amount of examples. Now, if you take, say, 3 over 5, 1 over half, you can give any amount of examples for proper fractions. The only thing, the denominator must be greater than the numerator. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So for example, we can take this 4 over 3, say 5 over 2. For this also you can give any amount of examples. Mixed fractions means mixed fraction means a whole number plus a proper fraction. For example, say 2 plus 2 over 3. This is a whole number. This is a proper fraction. When you get these two, it's a mixed fraction. But we can write as 2 and 2 over 3. This is a mixed fraction. So this also you can give enough. You can give any amount of mixed fractions. As example, you can write here 1 and 1/3, 3 and 2 over 3. Apart from these three fractions, these three types of fraction, we have another set of fraction. First one is unit fractions. Unit fractions. In unit fractions, always the numerator is equal to 1. Always the numerator is equal to 1. For example, I can give you 1 over 5 or 2 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 7. Here also you can give any amount of unit fractions. Now you can see this here, the denominator is greater than the numerator. In all these unit fractions, the denominators are greater than the numerator. That means they are coming under these proper fractions. As there is a special feature that is numerator is equal to 1, we consider them as unit fractions. Right. The second one is like fractions. Like fractions. In like fractions, denominators are same. That is, I can give you as examples the 1 over 7, 3 over 7, 6 over 7, 8 over 7. Now you can see all the denominators are same. So we call these fractions like fractions. If the denominators are same, we can regard them as like fractions. Now here also the denominator is greater than the numerator. And here you can see up to here the denominator is greater than the numerator. That means they are coming under this proper fraction too. And not only that, here the numerator is greater than the, this is an improper fraction. So that means the here like fractions, for like fractions you have proper fractions and also improper fractions. So that's why at the beginning I told you these fractions are coming under these basic fractions. Is equivalent fractions. Equivalent equivalent fractions. In equivalent fractions, the values are same. For example, so if you take 1/3, so this is equal to, if I write 2/6. Now these two are equivalent fraction because here also 2/6 means if you simplify it again, it will come 1/3. And also I can write this as say 3/9 also. That means when you simplify this, that also equal to 1/3. That means all the values of these three fractions are equal. So those fractions we call them equivalent fractions. For example, I can say this way. Say if this is a land, if I divide it into three and divided into three similar parts, and this shaded part is the shaded part is 1/3. That means 1/3 of the land I have shaded here. Now, if I do the same, take the same land in size, if I shade this way, I divide it into 6 parts and I shaded these two. Now, this shaded part is, there are 2 parts out of 6. I have divided into 6 and the shaded parts, there are 2 parts. So, but these two are, this area of this part is equal to this. So that means 1/3 is equal to 2/6. That means these two are equivalent fractions. Here the area is equal to the area of this part. But here it is 1/3. Here it is 2/6 parts. But the area is same. So you call these are equivalent fractions. Exercise. First one, 2, 3. Say 3/7. 14/13. 1 1/2. Name these three fractions and write in the comment section.